In this video, we're going to explore the Toolbox plugin in Bubble.io, a powerful tool that allows you to run custom JavaScript, enable client-side logic, and even use server-side scripts. The Toolbox plugin opens up a lot of flexibility for your Bubble apps, letting you do things that aren't possible with the default workflow actions. To get started, install the Toolbox plugin from the Plugins tab in your Bubble editor. Once installed, you'll have access to two key components, Run JavaScript and JavaScript to Bubble. The Run JavaScript workflow action allows you to execute JavaScript code directly within your workflows. For example, you can manipulate data on the page, trigger browser events, or perform calculations that Bubble doesn't support natively. You can insert this action into any workflow, such as a button click or page load, and write custom code to achieve dynamic functionality. The JavaScript to Bubble element works slightly differently. You place this element on your page to send data back from JavaScript into Bubble. To use it, you define a bubble_fn_ suffix, like myFunction, and set the output type. Then, inside your JavaScript code, you use bubble_fn_ suffix value to pass the data back to Bubble. This element can also trigger workflows when the JS finishes by checking the Trigger Event option. This allows you to seamlessly integrate JavaScript logic with Bubble's built-in workflow system. Finally, the Toolbox plugin also supports server-side scripts, which run on Bubble's backend. This feature is useful for processing larger data sets, returning multiple values, or generating lists without slowing down the client-side experience. Server-side scripts expand the possibilities for advanced app logic while keeping your app responsive for users. By combining Run JavaScript, JavaScript to Bubble, and server-side scripts, the Toolbox plugin gives you a bridge between Bubble's visual workflows and the flexibility of custom coding. It's an essential tool for developers who want to add advanced interactivity or integrate external logic into their Bubble apps.